Okay, so I'm at my grandma's house for New Year's, and I forgot all about their cat, Little Bit, and I think you guys will like him. Hi, Little Bit. But there's something different about this cat. Little Bit. Hi, kitty boy. He's also got the nickname Tripod, or Pogo Kitty, because as soon as he stands up, you gonna stand up, boy? Please? I know you're eating, and I'm annoying, but he's only got one back leg. He was in an accident. They still don't know what it is, but as soon as he realized, hey, I can hop on this, he hopped all over the house, just like, wee. He's still got like a little bit of thigh, but he's so cute. And when you pet him, he purrs, and he's all sweet and kitty-like. Look at your face. You're so cute. Quit hiding. Hi, kitty. Hi, Little Bit. Hey, Pogo Kitty. Oh, he's getting down. Hi. He wants out. I trapped him in here so he didn't run away when I got the camera out. I took a video earlier and he ran away. He doesn't like this. He also doesn't like the sound of this air mattress I'm sitting on. You want it now? Okay. Well, that's Tripod. He's like super cute. You're not being so friendly. Meow. Hey. You wanna meow? Nope, you just want food. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, he's done with this. Bye.